If you're wasting hours every week figuring out what to eat, scrambling last-minute meals, or stuck not making progress on your health goals because you don't even know your macros, I get it. That was me too. I'm Astral and I've been creating Notion templates for over 2 years with thousands of downloads across all my templates. And today, I'm gonna show you the exact meal planning system I built in Notion that helped me save hours every week, stay consistent with my meals, and finally feel in control. And because no one likes a long intro, let's get started. So this is what the template looks like when you first open it. You'll be able to see everything related to your meals in one single glance, but the real magic happens once we start clicking around. Let's start at the top left with the quick action section. Here you can add a new date to your plan, create a recipe, or add an ingredient, all with just one click. And don't worry, I'll show you how to automate a weekly plan with zero effort later in the video. On the right, you'll find the recipes section. This is where your meal options live. You can view all your recipes, your favorite ones, and your quick recipes. Perfect for those I only have 10 minutes kind of days. Each recipe shows super useful info like the course type, ingredient stock, prep time, calories, and macros. Click into any recipe and you'll see a breakdown of macros and calories per one serving, ingredients list, a recipe link, and cooking instructions. And one thing I love, if you're missing ingredients for a recipe, you'll see it right away. No more starting to cook and then realizing you're out of paprika. Here's where the real magic happens, the today's menu section. You can see a complete overview of your meals for the day, each with their calories and macros, and at the bottom, your total progress and how close you are to your daily goal. So whether you're trying to gain muscle, lose weight, or just eat more consistently, this section helps you visually stay on track. All you have to do is add your meals and servings for each course, and the rest updates automatically. If this is starting to look like the exact system you've been needing, the template is linked down in the description. Whether you want to finally stay consistent with your meals, stop guessing your macros, or just save time every single week, it's built for that. And we're not even done yet. If you don't want to manually create a new day each time, no worries. Just create a default template and set it to auto-repeat daily. Want a weekly meal plan that resets itself? You can set that up too. You could literally plan your week once and have it repeat automatically every single week. In the ingredients section, you can view all your ingredients, but here's where it gets smart. When you check the to buy box on an ingredient that's linked to a recipe, that recipe's stock status updates automatically. So your system always knows what you can or can't make based on what you have. Last but not least, the navigation section ties it all together. There's a shopping list view which you can add as a widget to your phone so you can always have it on hand. Then, the meal planner page gives you weekly, monthly, and full overviews, so you can check your progress or plan ahead. The recipes page also has a filter view by course, and finally, your ingredients page shows exactly what's in stock and what's not. So now you've seen exactly how I organize my meals, save time, and track my nutrition goals. And if you want to do the same, check out the template in the description. But here's the thing, eating right is only half of the equation. If you really wanna hit your weight goals, you need to pair this with a solid training routine. That's why I also built a workout tracker that connects perfectly with this system, so you can track your workouts and see real progress. Click here to check out how that one works.